Hi, today I'm going to be showing you how to implement memory mapping while analyzing code with TrustInSoft. The example today will be shown on TinyUSB. TinyUSB is a lightweight USB stack for embedded systems with a module architecture supporting both host and device modes. I've already started the project within TPMG, which is our product's GUI. Let's create a new analysis together. For now, I'm going to analyze main. Let's open up the root cause investigator to see what happened. It seems we are running into a memory access issue. On real hardware, peripheral registers are at fixed addresses. In TinyUSB, these are accessed via macros, so for formal analysis, we create a memory map file declaring global variables as placeholders for hardware regions, letting the analyzer interpret accesses correctly. We're going to create a memory map file of extern globals with TIS attributes to represent hardware regions at fixed addresses for analysis. If we take the system control space as an example, the documentation defines it as a contiguous memory region starting at the address E000, E000, and extending up to E000, EFFF. From that, we can derive both the base address and the size of its region. TrustInSoft uses FFFF because it models an inclusive range. Now we can either add this file to a single analysis by going to Edit Configuration and adding the file here. Or if we want this memory map to be persistent across all current and future analyses, we will add it manually to the stubs.json file. Now, when we view the configuration of our analysis, we see the global stub is there. So let's run the analysis again. This time, the analysis ran a lot longer and was able to reach more code. Next, you would want to look at the alarms to further the analysis. One quick tip is if you have a global variable already defined in your code, you can simply add an absolute address in the UI. You can either add a memory region or directly define the absolute address. Thank you for watching this run through of how to implement memory mapping with TrustInSoft.